Hello ladies and gentlemen, very good evening. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you everyone. सबसे पहले Art on Click, thank you so much for organizing such a beautiful event. हम सारे आर्टिस्ट को इतना ज़्यादा आपने मौका दिया to connect with each other, to showcase our art, है ना? So first of all, let me just introduce myself. My name is Mrityunjay Chauhan. I'm from Agra, and today I'm gonna showcase my beatboxing skills in front of you. जिनको नहीं पता बीट बॉक्सिंग क्या होती है, मैं आपको एक आइडिया दे देता हूँ. इट इज़ बेसिकली एन आर्ट इन विच यू प्रोड्यूस साउंड्स ऑफ डिफरेंट इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स यूजिंग ओनली योर वोकल कॉर्ड्स, राइट? या फिर किसी भी तरीके का म्यूजिक यू ट्राई टू प्रोड्यूस, जो भी ऐसे साउंड्स जिनको यूज करके आप एक म्यूजिक पीस बना सकते हो, यू ट्राई टू प्रोड्यूस दैट. ओके, so starting with let's start with my show, right? Okay, those who are sharing it, please share this live. जितना ज़्यादा आप शेयर करेंगे उतना ज़्यादा लोग कनेक्ट करेंगे. So let's go. Starting with sound of a water drop. Sound of a water drop goes like, and when you place this sound into a music, sounds like. Next, sound of some machinery I'm gonna show you. Kitchen mein you all see a juicer, right? So sound of a juicer when it turns on goes like. And when you pour juice into a glass, sounds like. Now coming to sounds of different regions of the world. Can you just imagine हम लोग पूरी दुनिया travel कर सकते हैं by just staying there and by just feeling the music and the vibe that those regions have. So starting with Germany party music. American hip hop. Now coming to African music. Africa ka music, there is a bit of tribal taste in that. Goes like. Coming all the way back to India. Now, Indian music it is basically very enjoyable and sounds like. DJ Vicky. India, maybe there are different regions. So when we talk about South India, South Indian music have a different kind of bass, right? Which sounds like. South Indian music goes like. Gujarati dandiya sounds like. And when we move forward towards north, we have Puneri Dhol, and it goes like. Very powerful, right? And जब हम और ऊपर जाते हैं, we have Punjabi music, हम सभी का favorite, and it sounds like. And the dhol. Thank you so much everyone. Hope you guys are liking it. Next, Airtel का ad हम सभी ने देखा है, right? So the music which Airtel ad plays, it goes like. Okay, now coming to the basic parts of beatboxing, we have, for example, we have a drum set lying over in front of me, imaginary drum set. So the kick of it sounds like. The second basic sound which we have in beatboxing is hi-hat. It sounds like. And the third sound is the snare. And when we combine these three sounds, we get basic beat of a drum kit, which goes like. Okay, I hope you guys are enjoying. And moving forward, using these sounds, we also create some sort of music pieces which are called beatbox routines, right? जिसमें आप सारी चीज़ें arrange करके you make a proper structure and you present that music piece in front of the audience. So now I'm going to show you some of my routines that I've created. Number one is called collapse. It does for all the artists. So it goes like. Standing alone, standing apart, we are the artists and this is the art. Go with the flow like. Standing alone, standing apart, we are the artists and this is the art. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was the first routine. Okay, so now आपको थोड़ा सा एक आइडिया देता हूँ बट ये आर्ट बेसिकली आई कहाँ से थी. पहले के टाइम पे क्या होता था, जो मूवीज रहती थी उनमें दे यूज टू गिव बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक, राइट. जो भी कोई ऑब्जेक्ट की साउंड हुई जो उन्हें रिप्रेजेंट करनी है या फिर जो उन्हें हाईलाइट करनी है, तो दे यूज फॉली साउंड्स, राइट, टू रिक्रिएट दोज साउंड्स इन द मूवी. तो उसी तरीके से क्या हुआ, धीरे धीरे व्हाट ह्यूमन डिड, उन्होंने वही कुछ साउंड्स अपने मुंह से भी निकालने की कोशिश करने लगी. तो जो भी एनिमल्स के साउंड्स हैं या फिर अलग अलग चीज़ों की आवाज़ें हैं, तो वो निकालने लगे. एंड धीरे धीरे वो आर्ट ग्रो करते हुए आज इस स्टेज पे आ गई है दैट वी हैव बीट बॉक्स बैटल्स. इफ़ यू गो एंड सर्च फॉर द चैनल स्विस बीट बॉक्स, वहाँ पर वो वर्ल्ड का सबसे बड़ा बीट बॉक्स प्लेटफॉर्म है सारे बीट बॉक्सेस के लिए. ओके, सो दिस इज इट. काफ़ी ज़्यादा ग्रो कर रही है, आप लोगों ने भी टीवी में देखा होगा, राइट. तो मूविंग फॉरवर्ड टू नेक्स्ट रूटीन. As you all know, my name is Mrityunjay Chauhan. I'm very much, very much in love, or you could say I'm very big devotee of Lord Shiva. So now some of my routines would be over that topic. Okay, let's go. This one is called Om Ganpate. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Ganpate, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Ganpate. बोलो गणपति बप्पा मोरया. Shockwave. Ready for that groovy bass vibe. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. This was it. And now I would show you another routine which is called Shiv Tandav. And it goes with some starting phrase of Shiv Tandav. And it goes something like this. Let's go. Om Namah Shivaya. Jataadavi Kalachala Pravaha Pavitastale Kalevalam Vilambitam Changatanga. मेरे भोले 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 Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you so much. This was the routine which is called Shiv Tandav. Hope you guys had enjoyed. Now let's go with some freestyle beatboxing. Okay, let's go with that flow. Right. Yo, bro, life is all about the groove. The groove with the drops like oot, oot, oot. Thank you. थैंक यू सो मच. Hope you guys have enjoyed, and जाते जाते I would like to show some of the voice impressions that I do. So सभी ने cartoons देखे हैं, right? Sound of Mickey Mouse character, the voice of Mickey Mouse character. I'm gonna imitate that in front of you. So Mickey Mouse voice impression goes like, "Hello everyone, this is Mickey Mouse. मुझे आप सब बहुत अच्छे लगते हो." And sound of Donald Duck goes something like this. And we could also beatbox with it, like. Okay, let's go with some flow. Thank you so much. Hope you guys have enjoyed. So that was my time. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining. Thank you so much, Art on Click, for giving me a platform to showcase my art in front of such a lovely audience. Thank you so much. You've been a lovely audience. Thank you for hearing, and thank you for your patience. Bye bye. Take care. See you all very soon. जब भी कोई नेक्स्ट इवेंट होता है, we will definitely meet. And तब तक आप लोग प्लीज़ घर पर रहिए, मास्क पहनते रहिए, and please maintain social distancing. और अपना और अपने घर वालों का जितना ज़्यादा हो सके उतना ज़्यादा ख्याल रखिए. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. A very good night. Thank you, everyone.